Let's start with number 1. There's one purple dot. Now let's find the number. Do you see a purple number 1? Yes, there it is. Great job. Here is one purple ring. One ring. Now, how about the number 2? I have 2 pink dots. 1, 2. Do you see a pink number 2? Right! There it is. Now let's count the rings. 1, 2 pink rings. Now it's your turn. 1, 2. You're doing great. Number 3. 1, 2, 3 dots. Do you see an orange number 3? Right! There it is! Now, let's look for the rings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 orange rings. 1, 2, 3. Next is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue dots. Do you see a blue number 4? Right! It's right there. Number 4. Let's look for our blue rings. I'll count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Okay, what goes next? Why don't we start from the beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Number 5 goes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue dots. Now can you look at these numbers really closely and tell me which one is number 5? It's blue. Yes, number 5. Let's look at the rings now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's your turn to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job! How about this one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 green dots. Can you see where the number 6 is? Right there, number 6. Now let's count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's your turn now to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're doing wonderful. Let's count them all together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dark green dots. Now we need to find the number. You see a green number 7? Right, there it is. Number 7. You know what's next? Let's count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's your turn now. Let me hear you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You did great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow dots. Do you see a yellow number 8? Yep, it's right there. Now let's count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's your turn. Can you count them all now? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow rings. How about number 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 orange dots. Do you see a number 9? There it is. Number 9. Oh, let's count these rings together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now you try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You did it. Let's see how many dots are in our last number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots. There's my red number 10. Let's count the red rings together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Congratulations, you did it!